What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Juice. You know, Big G back in this thing, man. Back with the brand new video, No Likes. And in today's video, y'all, I got something special for y'all. I know y'all see that little cheese in my hand or whatever. I'm going to teach y'all how to get it. All my people that's around my age, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to teach y'all how to do it. How to stack up 10,000 by the time you're 20. You know, 20,000, 30,000. Just keep on growing, I'm gonna give y'all some basic, simple steps. I want y'all to take this for life. You know what I'm saying? I want y'all to take this serious. Take it for life, take it all that. This is just for motivational purposes only. Obviously, I clearly have a lot more than this, but I think this is about 8. But anyways, y'all, this is about 8K right here. I think it's right at 8. I was gonna pull out a little bit more, but no point in me doing that. But y'all see it's pretty hefty right there. Little cut hidden though. Anyways, let's get back to the video though. How I got that. All right, so the first thing you want to do when you're starting to stack, right, is set up a goal. You want to have a goal. Now, make it more of a short-term goal. Of course, you're not just gonna say, "Oh, I'm gonna just get to 10,000." You know what I'm saying? You start out in small increments. You look at how much you're getting paid, how much you're working for, what you're doing, this and that, and then you start to really kind of study off of that. So let's say that you're getting, I don't know, $3,000 a month, right? And you making $3,000 a month after bills and everything. You got about 1,000 or something like that, right? Maybe 1,000 left over. I don't know how everybody's finances are set up, but structure it out where each month you're adding to it. Now, a lot of times that goes down to like, stop all the unnecessary spending. Stop going out with the peoples all the time. You ain't gotta have the freshest J's out. It's cool to not, you know what I'm saying? It's all right to not have the freshest J's out. You ain't gotta have all that. You can have some nice shoes. You got some Nikes. Man, when I tell y'all I'm so diverse, I rock Fila's, Nikes, Reebok. You know what I'm saying? I rock anything that's hard to me. You know what I'm saying? I'm not worried about what the next man think. You know what I'm saying? Because when he go over there, he spend $400-500 on them shoes. You feel me? And my whole outfit, $80-70. You know what I'm saying? I done got a deal on it or a steal. They gonna be, you know what I'm saying? While they broke, I still got what? $424. You know what I'm saying? I still got $400 more than them. And I can add that to my savings, and I can say that for a rainy day. Because one thing that's for sure, it's always gonna be a rainy day. It's always, bro. I done had so many, and I'm blessed. You know what I'm saying? That I was able to have this mindset. That's why I'm trying to pass it to y'all. Now, the second thing y'all want to do is try to find ways to make your money work for you. Try to find ways to make that money work for you. What I mean by that is find, and it's going to be on your own research. You can look it up on YouTube, how to double your money and stuff like that. I know with me, I found small things. Like I flipped a few cars, you know, I've just done things. You get what I'm saying? Like I even did some shoes. On my Instagram page at juic.ee, you will see that I've done the shoe flipping thing like that. I passed the real estate exam. I've just tried everything. You know what I'm saying? Like my thing is I'm a renaissance man. You know what I'm saying? I'm going hard with this YouTube thing now, so the world is mine as far as what I can do. But that's another thing. You just want to look into ways you can make your money work for you. Because if your money's just sitting, you might as well just have it in a savings account. You know what I'm saying? That way it can build up some interest. But find a way to make that money work for you. But the main thing, as I said, that it comes down to, y'all, is your mind, your mindset. Your mind is going to always tell you, oh, I need this. Oh, I need that. Oh, I need this. Oh, I need that. You got to separate wants from needs for a while. What I mean by that is like things you may want that you feel is a need, that you think you need. Not necessarily. You know what I'm saying? I see it all the time where like the rappers around my age, you know what I'm saying? They get this big deal 100,000, you know what I'm saying? Whatever they get, for really be around 360 deals. But they get these big deals or whatever, and then they go and blow it on stuff that easily depreciates. You know what I'm saying? And I understand, have fun. I have my fun too. But you want to make smart moves. You know what I'm saying? And what I mean by smart moves, right? Let's say, for example, right? Kind of like with my situation. I got money. I could go get the, you know what I'm saying? I could have got the 2020 wide body Hellcat if I wanted to. You know what I'm saying? I could have easily done that. Easily. Credit score is up there. I got everything set up. And I'm going to make that in the next video, the credit stuff. But yeah, because credit is way more important than this right here. But anyways, could have went and got that. But I said, no, it's all good. I'm going to get me something that I want. I want that VA. I want that power. You get what I'm saying? But I'm going to also be cost efficient on it too. So I got my whip, low miles on it, talked the dude down, you know, could have paid cash for it if I wanted to, but I said, nah, keep on building my credit. I'm a young man, so I'm gonna keep on building it up. Already in the 750s now. By the time that's done, I'll probably be in the 8s, wherever, I don't know. Yeah, but I did that, but I still got what I wanted, but I didn't go full throttle. You get what I'm saying? Because I got to prove I could have went all the way. You get what I'm saying? When they approved me. But I'm like, nah, hold on. Let me just live way below my means. Because you never want to live above your means. Live way below my means. I know I can swing the payments easy. You know what I'm saying? I can pay the car off really whenever I want. You know what I'm saying? I'm just going to stretch it just to stretch some history with my, you know, my credit and all that. And just do what I do. But as I said, I'm still living. Still having fun. I'm just doing it way below my means. As I said, that's the biggest key, I think, for everybody. Because as soon as everybody get money, like I heard these little $600 stimuluses coming out, you know. I understand some people, they've been working and stuff like that. So some people don't want to just, you know what I'm saying, hold on to it. They feel like they deserve that, whatever. They want to go spend it on something. It's to stimulate the economy. But sometimes you also want to just keep something put up for a rainy day. I know me, it's always been how I am. I'm going to say regardless. But, you know, to each his own. I'm not judging nobody. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's how they is. But, yeah, as I said, living way below your means. Making sure everything is organized. Structure everything out. And it'll work for you. Honestly, it will. I mean, it will. It'll work out. It'll be just what you want it to be. And just what you make it to be. You know what I'm saying? You only got one life on this earth, man. And sure, I know me, I like the way I live. Living free. Living free. I can do whatever I want. All my bills are paid. Rent, car payment, insurance, phone bill, everything is paid. With ease, you get what I'm saying? I still work. I find other little deals. Like I was about to go get an Impala today, but it's sold. Find little flips, keep my mind turning, keep on thinking. You know what I'm saying? People I like to look up, you know what I'm saying? And like, I watched the Master P documentary. You know what I'm saying? I fill my head up with all that. Rick Ross, I'm about to read his book for real. I know he's got like so many wing stops, but I just keep my head turning. I keep it in motion, you know what I'm saying? I keep on thinking past this. Next thing I'm getting into is the property. That's more solid than this. This loses value. Homes 9 times out of 10 it won't depreciate unless it's like a big recession or, you know, something like that. But most of the time it's just gonna go up. So that's gonna be the next thing. But yeah, y'all, I just wanted to talk to y'all for real, you know, on a serious level. I know I'll be making a lot of jokes and stuff like that playing around, but I want to holler at my young people because I want y'all to get on this track too. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can DM me on Instagram at juic.ee if you got any questions with it or whatever. We can all, you know what I'm saying, just stack. To summarize this up, y'all, set up a plan, work, stay true to it, you get what I'm saying? Work, strategize how much you get. Don't get that new car right now. Don't go get that new outfit right now. You in grind mode. Stick to your head. Stick to what you first was gonna do. You in grind mode, go hard. Then maybe a year or two afterwards, you can do a little something for yourself. But first, earn it. So do that. Find other things you can put your money into. It can be small, it can be big. Try to make some type of investment to keep your money growing. Make your money work for you when you off or when you on. While you at work, you funding something else to make you bigger. Increase your assets, not liabilities. That's basically what I'm getting at. And another key thing too is always look for savings. You know what I'm saying? If you are going to do something for yourself, always get a deal. Always do your best to get a deal. And try to look at it like this. If you can't buy it 3 times or twice, don't get it. And yeah, that's just the way that I put it, y'all. I might make a part 2 to this video, just explaining more in depth with everything. But, you know, like, comment, and subscribe. You know, it's your boy Juice. And until next time, y'all, I'm out. Peace, y'all.